Hey there, welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, where possibilities are as vast as the digital landscape itself. If you're looking to earn money online, this series is your treasure map. In the next few minutes, we're going to introduce you to the incredible realm of affiliate marketing and set the stage for your journey to financial success. So, what is affiliate marketing, and why should it matter to you? Well, think of it as a modern twist on a classic concept, referrals. Imagine you're at a party, and you recommend an amazing book to a friend. They read it, love it, and, as a thank you gesture, the author sends you a little something. That's a referral in the real world. Now, bring that idea online, into the vast digital marketplace. You recommend a product or service through your online platform, your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When people follow your recommendation and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a thank you gift from the author, but in the form of cash. Affiliate marketing is your opportunity to turn your online presence into a money-making asset. It's a symbiotic relationship where you, the affiliate marketer, connect people with products or services they need, and in return, you earn a piece of the revenue pie. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's accessible to anyone. You don't need a fancy degree, a huge social media following, or an extensive email list. All you need is a passion for what you're promoting and a genuine desire to help your audience find solutions to their problems. In this series, we'll take you through every step of the affiliate marketing journey. From finding the right niche and selecting products to promote, to creating compelling content and driving traffic to your affiliate links, we've got you covered. So, whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur looking to diversify your income streams or a newbie eager to make your mark in the digital world, affiliate marketing opens the door to limitless possibilities. Stay tuned for the next videos in this series, where we'll delve deeper into the nuts and bolts of affiliate marketing, sharing tips, strategies, and insider secrets to help you thrive in this exciting online venture. Get ready to turn your passion into profits because, in the world of affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. Your journey begins now. Now that you've taken your first step into the world of affiliate marketing, don't just watch from the sidelines. Take action today. Hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay updated with our in-depth affiliate marketing journey. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together.